Last week, the tech sector took a 7% beating in the stock market after analysts found a report from Anthropic's Claude that talked about a tool plugin that could automate mundane tasks done by lawyers. And it got me thinking about the whole engine behind AI. Now, a week or 10 days ago, I read a New York Times article about AI billionaires and how most of them in their 20s are creating ideas leveraging the infrastructure in the AI space. One that really caught my attention was how Anthropic and other AI labs are leveraging AI service companies. Companies like Mercor, Scale AI provide AI model training services. And these platforms, these service platforms are helping companies like Anthropic and other startups and the AI labs to create domain-specific models and train them on specific domains. The way it works is pretty interesting, right? It goes back to the days of services. So what they do is these service companies like Mercor hire hundreds of gig workers, professionals like lawyers, professionals like doctors, and specialized in specific areas of law like contract law or practicing law in New Zealand, and put them to a task training the AI models. The way it works is you have an AI model that ingests a huge amount of information from various data sources specialized in a certain area like law. But in order to fine-tune the model, you need specialists. You need, say, oncologists, or to go and train the model on those specific areas. And that training is a gig work. So what these companies like Mercor do is they post a job like this example. Say we want a legal expert or we want a medical expert. People can sign up and they pay anywhere from $150 to $200 for highly specialized people to come in and start checking the model, that is running queries or running prompts on these models. And based on the results, they categorize the prompts, right? And they say whether the results were green or yellow, and refine the models or help refine the models over and over, run these queries or a series of these prompts and queries. While these companies like Mercor are making headlines, posting jobs for say $150, $200 an hour, what it really entails is gig work, mundane gig work done by these professionals. You, as a professional, you go sign up on this platform and you are given a series of these tasks. This goes back to almost similar to what Mechanical Turk was doing about 2 decades ago, getting people to come and see, okay, here's a video clip or here's a picture of cats and dogs and animals. Now you tag them and you provide metadata, you provide labels. Likewise, training the models require these specialists to go in and start training. And this gig economy has really taken off. And now companies like Mercor or Scale AI are now valued at billions of dollars because this industry, training these models itself is a huge industry. These gigs will continue to pay is anyone's guess, but the opportunities are definitely there. If you are a professional, say a doctor, even a biologist, oncologist, medical professional, a lawyer, or any specialist, there are gig opportunities available on these platforms, and I'm going to share some of these links below. So you go look up those gigs, look up these opportunities, see if you want to sign up, use gigs for maybe a week, 2 weeks, provide inputs, but what you're doing is training these models.